Goeienaand, good evening, fellow South Africans and citizens of the world. Now, the Free State farmers are dancing in the rain. And you know what? Despite the perils that come with flooding, and that includes loss of crops, they are just so happy that it is raining. And Davy has sent me two videos, which I'll play after this intro. One is of, let me get this right. One is of the Vet River in flood, and apparently that's just 5 kilometers from Davy's home. And the other one is the Erfenis Dam in flood, and that's about 40 kilometers from his farm. And the Erfenis Dam video is quite astonishing. It's absolutely amazing to watch. But Davy has also just given me a bit of background, so I'll just recite that here. He says, "Sir, it's not just KwaZulu-Natal that is flooded. We received 350 millimeters just over the weekend up to yesterday. I'm standing on 540 millimeters now just for April. It rained more now than in the past 6 years." Get that? It rained more in the last few days, or in April, than in the past 6 years in Bultfontein area. We are very grateful for the rain. Bultfontein is cut off from surrounding towns at places. The Sand River is 12 kilometers wide from a river that is normally just 40 meters wide. Entire farms are underwater, but we stand together. We are helping each other and repairing infrastructure ourselves. The Erfenis Dam, Allemanskraal dams are all in flood. It is a pretty sight after such a long drought. We have lost entire crops due to hailstorms, flooding, but we are still grateful to God for the rain. Now, isn't that a beautiful attitude? So typical of the farmers. All right, guys, please remember to subscribe to be kept informed, and have a great evening. Bye for now. And I'm so happy for you, Davy, that the rain is coming. Cheers, guys.